Hey guys, this is Nick at Jawz. I just wanted to take this time to introduce a new product for you. This is the corner system that we've been working on for the last couple of years. We just got our first samples in, and I wanted to take the time to show you the parts. And so this is the first part. It's called the barrel connector. It actually slides over the T-post. It has downward facing teeth. It allows the system to be installed 180 degrees, and we'll show you that a little bit later. We also have the top bracket that goes into that. T-post goes into this side and goes down to the foot. The foot is the next part in the system. Also the other side of the T-post connects into this. This goes on the ground and then keys into the next T-post. We also have an optional piece for you to be able to use the T-post corner system to support a wooden corner as well. In here in just a minute, we're going to go to the corner behind us, and we're going to set this corner up from brand new with all of these components, and we'll show you that in just a second. Okay guys, here we are at the corner. We're going to show the barrel connector actually sliding onto the T-post. So you notice that the barrel connector can actually split in the back, and it has these slots as well as the stopping point. So what happens is you go to the back spine of the T-post and you slot that over just like this so that it can slide down through, right? Once you get it down as far as you want it, you can make sure that the connector snaps in between two nodes. Looking down through there, and then all you got to do is snap that piece in. Now it's locked. It can't slide up and down past that node. So this is the closer look at the foot. The foot goes against the ground, and of course the connector goes into the bottom of the T-post. The foot does have these teeth on the back, and that's just to hold the ground long enough to get everything in position, and we'll show you that in just a second. In order to install the foot and the articulating piece onto the T-post, you simply line it up and press it straight on, and you're done. Now that you have it on, you can put it against the ground in line with your fence and get yourself lined up with your top corner. Once you have that lined up, you take the other half, install it the same way, and then line it up. If it's a little off, this is where the feet come in handy. You can change it to get you where you need to be. Now, this is very loosely installed at this point, and we'll go through and tighten everything up once we get the two T-posts in attached to the foot. So guys, now we're looking at the center support. We have our barrel connector on, as well as our two supports. Now they are somewhat tight, but if you needed to get this to a tighter installation, notice that we have all these downward facing teeth. All we have to do is push out on the top, locate our teeth lower, and now they grab lower on the barrel connector, which ultimately pushes the corner out and tightens the fence. Also notice that this connector is lower than this one, which means that you don't have to tension the fence the same in both directions. One thing to note is that if you get all the way to the bottom of your barrel connector, you can simply remove this, take the barrel connector, slide it down one more node and click it back in. That gives you a whole nother set of options. One last note guys, I just wanted to mention, from this distance you can notice that we have plastic insulation at the top as well as insulation at the bottom, so we don't have to worry about our hot lines touching the T-post. It will light up the T-post, but you will not arc out to the ground because we're insulated at both sides. This does nothing but add security to the fence and keeps the animals from messing with your corner T-post brackets.